Now, as we all know what has to be done in the activity, let us proceed towards doing the activity. So, in order to just finish this particular activity or start with the activity, step by step we will do. Step number one is open a Google Sheet. The Google Sheet I have already opened over here. Then the first thing I'm able to see over here is grade 6 class test. If you want to see the table is given on page number 91 of your textbook. So first I type grade 6 class test marks. I'm typing grade 6 class test marks. Next, coming over here, roll number, name student, English, roll number, name student, then it is English, Math, Science, Social Studies. English, Maths, Science, Social Studies. First, I'm going to insert roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 students. The name of the students are Abir, Rohit, then it's again Abir, then it's Sonali, and Divyansh. I'm looking into textbook page number 91 and entering the data. Then it is 15, 16, 14, 13, 15. After maths, we are having, after English, we are having maths. The marks is 14, 12, 13, 11, and 6. Science, we are having marks as 11, 14, 8, 16, and 11. For social studies, we are having marks as 10, 11, 17, 19, and 18. So a rough sketch of the table has been prepared. Next, we will learn as how to format the table as given in the image. So let us proceed to the next part of the presentation as how the formatting is done.